Hello and welcome to this FortiADC's video on Agentless Application Gateway, End-to-End Configuration Flow. FortiADC's Agentless Application Gateway provides a portal that users log in to access internal applications, including RDP, Web SSH, Web VNC, Web Telnet, and internal web apps. FortiADC's AAG consists of several configuration components that work together to deliver secure, role-based access to remote and internal applications. In this section, we will walk through each component one by one. An app bookmark represents a specific remote resource or internal application that you want to display to users in the AAG portal. Each bookmark corresponds to a backend destination, such as an RDP server, SSH host, VNC session, Telnet device, or internal web application. Bookmarks are configured in the App Group tab under the Agentless Application Gateway page. Let's take a look at the bookmarks configurations. For example, in an RDP bookmark, you define the target RDP server by specifying its host and port, and you can also control which peripheral features the user may access, such as drive redirection, printer, USB devices, and more. In a web app, internal bookmark, you specify the URL of the internal web application along with the backend server's IP address. An app group is a logical collection of app bookmarks. For example, you might create separate app groups for remote access servers, internal applications. App groups are configured in the App Group tab under the Agentless Application Gateway page. You can add multiple bookmarks in an app group. The app portal is a collection of app groups and serves as the web-based homepage that users see after authentication. Typically, each user role has its own app portal. For example, faculty member and IT staff may each have a different app portal tailored to their applications and permissions. App portals are configured in the App Portal tab under the Agentless Application Gateway page. In the app portal settings, the caption and app group titles correspond to different elements displayed on the user-facing portal page. The Authentication server defines the destination FortiADC queries to verify user credentials. FortiADC supports multiple authentication sources, including local user accounts, remote servers such as LDAP and Radius, SAML-based identity providers. A user group is a collection of authentication servers. When a user logs in, FortiADC uses the provided login information, such as an email address or username, to search across all authentication servers. If a match is found, the user is treated as a member of the user group that contains the authentication server where the credentials were located. In Access Policy, you can bind a user group to a specific app portal. This enables role-based access control, ensuring each user sees only the applications relevant to their permissions. Make sure to enable App Portal access. At this point, we have completed all configuration options within the AAG menu. To bring the portal online, you must configure a virtual server to direct user traffic to the AAG portal. If your portal includes a published web application, you will also need to create a separate virtual server for that application. We will cover these steps in a dedicated video, Virtual Server Configurations for the AAG portal. In the video, we will discuss the highlighted components in the following diagram: Application Profile and Virtual Server. We also recommend referring to the Deployment Guide AAG Use Case, Role-Based Secure Unified Access Portal, available on the FortiADC documentation site. Thanks for watching.